This will be the beginning of week 6 of workouts if you started from the very beginning of this channel of daily 5-minute workouts. This workout will be inspired by striking as if we are warriors. This is not a self-defense video, we're just using similar movements to strike. Alright, let's begin our low intensity interval training workout with 45 seconds of striking, 15 seconds of rest for 5 rounds. So let's make some moves in minutes. Workout begins in 15 seconds. So what we're gonna do is have our right hand in the back, left hand in the front, as if we were holding a pole. Now we're gonna bring our left foot and thrust the pole forwards, just like so. And 2, 1, bring the left foot up and strike forward. Bring the left foot up, thrust the pole, just like so. Nice and slow, we don't need to go fast at all. Remember to breathe out with every strike. We're halfway there. Bring that back arm nice and back and strike forward. 10 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great. We're going to swap sides now. Instead of using our right foot to lean on, we're going to lean on our left foot. So bring our left foot back, right foot up, thrust forward with our right hand in front. And 2, 1, bring it back, thrust it forward. Bring it back, thrust it forward. Back hand behind, move it forward, just like so. We're halfway there. Remember to breathe with every strike. 10 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great job. Okay, now we're gonna have our feet shoulder width apart and we're gonna cross our hands and do a cross karate chop. Bring our right arm forward this time, cross karate chop, remembering to alternate with each strike. And 2, 1, right hand in front, strike down. Left hand in front, strike down. Swap it over and do it again. We're halfway there. Ten more seconds. Remember to breathe with every strike. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great. Now we're gonna do some blocking. So every time we block, we bring our right leg and cross block like so. Doing the left side, cross block and alternate with each movement. And let's block, block, block. Halfway there. Ten more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great. Okay, now we're gonna sit in a slight half squat and we're gonna bring our fists together and we're gonna strike 45 degrees straight punches away, not in front, away on the side. 2, 1. We're gonna start with our left. Remember to breathe with every strike. Keep your elbows in. We're halfway there. Ten more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great. That's it for today's workout. Hope that was a bit more fun than the usual stuff. Sometimes it's great to get creative because it uses your noodle. Leave in the comments below how you felt during that workout, or you have any feedback. Any suggestions, type it right up for our future workouts. Hit that subscribe button if you want more workout videos, because I will be regularly releasing, got tongue twisted there, quite often. I hate it when it happens, but that's okay, because I'll see you all in the next videos. Bye bye!